Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper, the Model Builder. We're doing the last 4 stages of this beautiful DeLorean build. This is with the modifications of Mike Lane. As you can see right there, the yellow label says it all, and it's the plutonium case that we're putting together. In the background you can see the finished car. It's completely finished, all lights, everything is working, so I'm really happy with that one. But today we are going to do the plutonium case, so let's get straight into it because I really want to go on. So these are the parts in the first stage. Okay, here we go. This is a very tiny little thing. Now we're doing this, the plutonium case that we have here. We're going to put the handle on, and we're going to put those 2 little things there as well. So let's start with this. I'm making it easy for myself. I've got my PH00 screwdriver, and we are putting 4 of these very tiny screws in. So I've got my PH00 screwdriver out. It's all into plastic, so no need for sorry about that, concentration mode. No need for any oil here, because it's all plastic. So we've got 4 of these screws to put in. Guys, these are not easy to put in. No, okay, I went to a PH0 screwdriver, and that's better. This is too pointy. It doesn't have enough grip to keep it in its proper position as I want it to be, and as you want it to be. Because you see now, I'm not sliding off the screw as I've done before with that 00 screwdriver. And there you have it, those and that one. We're starting on the sides. We're putting, you are making a lot of noise, the case handles, and we've got another one like this on the other to put on the other side of the case as well. So that one's in. Now we're doing another one. This is of course not plutonium, but you can see that when you look at this thing. Now we go to this side, we put them on like so. This one is okay, but I'm still doing it more or less the same way. There you go, those are on as well. So we're putting that aside. 29. These are the parts. So we're taking that case out and we're putting this in the lower part. So as you can see right there, you see that foam is in there. I'm doing it this way because I don't think you can see. Yeah, you see it there as well. On top of that we put the one from Mike Lane, but I need my tweezer for that because the sticker backing needs to come off. As you can see, that's in there as well, neatly in there, as you can see. That was a little modification from Mike Lane. With everything up like so, we're putting these bands on, and we're putting them in with IPs, big screws for this, but okay. Making sure that that little things there are both, there's a little lip there, if you see that, that needs to be on both sides this the same. Then we're going to put 2 more of those IP screws and put those placeholders, those rubbery things all over. We're going to get the lid out, and with the closed side I'm going to put that there, and we're going to put 4 AP screws in there in all corners, and we're going to put something over that when that's in, and that's again something from Mike Lane. We're going to put this one over here. Yep, but we need to take the backing off before we put that in. That was just a test fit. It would almost not come out. That's in. I think we put something on that, and that was that radioactive sticker right there. Oh, stupid woman. Have a good look how that orientation should be before you put that sticker on, unlike what I've just done. Then we put 4AP in all the corners again. There we go. Then we're going to put this one in. This is all to keep that in much better than it would be if you didn't change it at all. Okay. Then we push that in, and I think we're going to put that thing on the back, and that thing would be the hinge, and that is what you have, a little case. Beautiful. And we're going to 130 because we've got all the other stuff done. We need to keep something because we've got a clock in here as well. Oh God, you nincompoop. Forgot that I opened it already. That is not very handy. And well, as you can see, a lot of these little parts in here. We've got those tiny little things as well. This is quite a lot of repetition now. Let's start with putting that little sticker on. Wow. They're really tiny, guys. You need to do that 12 times, huh? yeah, this is a concentration mode. It's fiddly as anything. All these fake plutonium things. Then we're gonna get one of those out. We're gonna put that on, and then a lid like so, and then that is what you have. And I'm gonna make 12 more of those, and the last one, this is and that's where we have this case complete. As you can see right there, that's that case put together. I did get the lens off. There we go. A little bit of my favorite glue in there as well. And we've got this case and that clock together. Okay, and this is it. This is the last thing we do on this the last stage of this beautiful DeLorean build. And I don't know if I can mention what this is, because it is, I don't know, but you know what this is. It's right in front of you. You've got the clock there as well, with the new clock face from Mike Lane. and it's all together now. I can put it together with the other stuff that is there. There you have it. That's the DeLorean with all the little things that come with it. This is the basic one that I finished. The case that you see there, the yellow case that you see there, is for the deluxe version, but I made it anyway, and I hope you enjoyed it very much, and I enjoyed making it. This is, though I have said it before, this is not a build for somebody who is just starting. Start with something else. If I think back to what we're doing here, what is a good one? Try the Peugeot 205. That's a good one to do from IXO collection. Try that if you want to start this and you like it very much. With that, I'm saying thank you very much, and please like, subscribe, and pass it in, and join me next time, or check out my channel. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.